There's 2 1/4. So there's 2, all right? Okay. And here's a 1/4 cup.
I like that.
Okay. That's 2 1/4 cups of flour. Hold on. Don't touch anything. You haven't been told to do anything else, have you? Okay.
This is too hard.
Now, the next thing it says to do is, it says baking soda. So we got to add baking soda. And it says 1 teaspoon. Can you get me a teaspoon? Which one says 1 teaspoon on it? I think that says 1 tablespoon. The one, this one. 1 teaspoon. Now, we'll do that over here. We're going to do 1. Okay. Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then it says salt. So,
Salt's up there.
that's right. That's the salt.
And I'm going to open it.
You're going to open it. And then what are you going to do?
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay, it says 1 teaspoon of salt. So, we're going to fill the teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt.